Hey guys, Chevy here again. So I got a customer car in here. It's like a 2000 Z28 Camaro. Got an LS1 4060 in it. Motor's blown up. Well, seized up. Ran out of oil. But my understanding is it's got like 230,000 miles on it or something. Actually raced this guy in the wagon at Friday night call-outs like a month ago, but my car was having issues, so we only got to race like half track, but it was damn close. It's door to door, so that was pretty cool. But so we're gonna pull the motor out of this thing, and as far as I know, it's completely bone stock. So we're gonna do a camshaft, probably pistons and rods, new oil pump, rings, bearings, all that stuff, and we're gonna gap the rings, so maybe spray it with a little bit of nitrous and possibly do a converter while we have it apart. Because what better time when the motor's not in front of the transmission, right? Anyways, just wanted to kind of give you a little heads up on the project we got going on right now. Nice little car, got ZR1 wheels on it, 315s in the back, black interior. She cool. Normal GM plastic broken stuff, but other than that, sweetheart. Yeah, 2001. Cool. Anyways, I'm about to get started. I just pulled the hood off. Me and Alicia pulled the hood off 20 minutes ago or so. So I'm going to start tearing everything off the outside of this motor and get it unbolted. I'm going to take it out the top. They say you got to take it out the bottom, but they also said with no radiator and the intake off the motor, you can pop it out the top. And it's so that's how I'm going to do it, because I don't have a lift and I don't want to have this thing jacked off the ground 4 foot so I can get the motor out the bottom. It's kind of sketchy. So I'm gonna do it the safe way, the way that I'm used to doing, and pull it out the top. I'll prop you up so you guys can watch, and I'll keep you up to date throughout it. So I'll see you later. Alright, so I got the motor tore down, intake off, front accessories off, wiring harness unhooked. I just gotta unhook the exhaust, the bell housing bolts, and the converter bolts. Oh, motor mount bolts also. And then this thing's ready to come out. So maybe tomorrow, if I feel like it. I'm not promising anything, but hopefully we'll get this thing out of here. It's seized up bigger and shit though. I put a ratchet on the crank bolt. Don't even wiggle. Just tightens up the bolt. So hopefully we can get this thing out of the car on an engine stand. Then we can start tearing it apart. Then we'll know what we got to order, and we'll make it right, and we'll put it back in. See you guys later. Hey guys, I'm back. It's a couple nights later though. Got the motor, got my chain hoist hooked to it, got all the bolts out of everything, I think. I mean, you know, fingers crossed. Jack underneath the bell housing. This motor's seized. I can't get the converter bolts out because I can't turn the engine. So, I mean, fingers crossed we don't tear anything up. Guy wants to put a stall converter in it while we have it apart. So, there's that. So hopefully it doesn't mess up the pump or anything. But I mean, if it does, it does. It's just how it is. Got to get this thing out of here. But I'll set you up so you can watch it come out. Should be pretty easy and straightforward from here. Now, I gotta figure out how to move the car with the jack holding the transmission up. That was dumb. I didn't think about the chain hoist not being mobile. The cherry picker rolls out, so I'm going to strap the transmission up like I normally would because it's so far back there. Dang it. Motor's loose. Transmission's just chilling back there. But I don't know if you noticed, but That's what the motor pulled out, like 8 inches, and there's still that much of it underneath the cowl, so I can't strap the transmission straight up, but I could hook ratchet strap to it and go to like these hood pieces, strap it up, one on each side. That might hold it. I'm gonna do that. I'll be right back. All right, straps in there. Let's see. Seems to be fine. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna roll the car backwards. Like 6 inches, 7 inches, I don't know. All right, cool. All right, transmission stayed there. That's so cool, man. Uh-oh. Got something hanging up back here? Nope. Just, I mean, square pegging around hole. Okay, setting you back up. Okay, there's the ground wire, still hooked to the engine. I did miss something. I knew there had to be at least one thing. Not a 13! Just so you know, it's a 15. Bleeding. That one's dying an angry death. Shit. Made a hell of a mess. This is gonna love that. That's a huge torque converter. Cool. LS1 out. Hopefully this thing's not broken like I think it is, and we can fix it. But if it is, we're gonna have to go to find a different block. Probably end up being like an iron block 5.3 with these heads and flat tops, and we'll try and make a crispy little 5.3 high compression camshaft install converter. That'd be fun for this dude. Anyways, motor's out. I'm gonna try and get it on a stand. I'll see you guys when start tearing it down.